Sigan, ladies and gentlemen. Ira, right, throughout the whole week, you're battling laryngitis. How's your throat? Good. Pero tipid pa rin sa pagsasalita?
Yes.
All right, Ira, let's listen to the judges. FM.
The thing that strikes me about Ira, always her choice of songs, may kultura tong batang to eh. Pero you can't argue with the energy
That's right.
that she gives the crowd.
All right.
That's right.
Thank you very much, FM. Mamita.
I don't know, I was just mentioning to Mr. C kanina, sabi ko, how she has blossomed. How she has become prettier from the first time that we started. That is what Philippine Idol does for you. I hope you make it. Actually, my scriptwriter is already angry with me.
Why?
Because I keep on saying they're all good.
But they are good,
Should I
Mamita.
say, you're not good even if it's good?
No.
You're good.
All right. Mamita, maraming salamat. Mr. C.
I'm so happy that you're here. You brought class to... masyadong ng klase nga yung Philippine Idol eh. Naapa yung class. You know, you're very musical and it shows. And I will tell you also one thing that you do very well. Ang galing mo maglakad.
Thank you. Pang beauty pageant.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. C. Talagang ikaw ang nakapansin ng paglalakad ni Ira.
Na-touch po. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, judges. Ira, you bring class,
Yeah.
bring culture in. Ano masasabi mo?
I am just happy that I am able to perform in front of you guys. And I know you noticed the past few days I've been wearing a mask. I'm still very contagious.
Hoy!
But I hope the contagiousness will also be affected. I hope everybody will get affected so you can vote for me.
All right. If you guys like Ira and you want to catch the Ira fever, text Ira, that's IRA to 2339 using Smart and the other networks at kung PLDT landline ang gagamitin nyo, tawagan nyo lang 19085-IDOL-06. Again, that's 19085-IDOL-06 for Ira. Pero sandali lang, you do that at the end of the show when we give you the go signal. Ayaw po namin masayang inyong boto kay Ira. Ira, thank you very much. You can rest now. All right. Manila, Australia, Lucena. Iba't ibang pinanggalingan, isa ang pinatunguhan. Pao Chavez, Steph Lazaro at Mau Marcelo sa pagbabalik ng Philippine Idol. And you guys are still watching Philippine Idol sa ABC5 at live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa Philippine Idol Theater sa Mega Mall. You guys having fun? Yeah, who are you rooting for? All right, well, she's coming up in a little while. Eto, ating next semi-finalist. Isa na naman siyang interior designer at ang kwento niya, eto, yung kaibigan niya, niyaya siyang mag-audition sa Philippine Idol at siya ang nakuha. Buti na lang, pumayag siya mag-audition. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang kwento ni Pao Chavez.
Napasali ako sa Philippine Idol dahil yung friend ko sabi niya, mag-audition ako. Sabi ko, subukan ko kaya.
Now it's much too late for me to take a second look.
Si Miss Pilita, si Mamita, sabi niya, paano ka magbibihis? Sabi ko, this way pa rin po. Nagpapakatotoo lang po kasi ako because I don't want pretensions. Nape-pressure ako. And all of the people na mga kasama ko na yung mga na-eliminate, sobrang affected ako. And at the same time, natatakot din ako para sa sarili ko. Well, the song I chose is Ikaw Lamang by Jaja Padilla. I thought lang na it's gonna suit me well. I could connect my emotions with the song.
Sa tuwing ika'y
You alright? Pau, parang teary-eyed ka, Pau. Tell me how you feel, man. Tell me how you feel. Okay, Pau, I'll let you enjoy the moment. But are you ready to listen to the judges? Okay. FM.
Alam mo to si Pao, manloloko to eh.
Bakit?
Nagoyo tayo nito eh. Una pa, hip-hop una, pero mahusay na mga awit tong batang to eh. Isa lang nga ayaw ko. Ang gandang-gandang boses. Kailan ka magpapalda, Pao? Ha? Ha? Sayang ang pera eh.
Pau, sagutin mo yan. Sagutin mo yan. Are you ever gonna
Matagal
wear...
ko na sinasabi sa kanya yan.
Sorry na lang po.
Hindi. Pau, maganda yung ginagawa mo. Pinaninindigan mo. Alright. Sige. Thank you, FM. Mamita.
Yun nga ang tinanong ko sa kanya when she was auditioning. I said, what if you papasok ka, anong isusuot mo? Tinanong ko sa kanya, magfalda ka ba? Ano ka ba? O walang high heels, pareho kayo ng sapatos. Mas pangit yung sa'yo, Ryan. Kasi
Mamita, mahilig nga ako sa may wrinkles. Yun nga. Vintage nga eh. Kung naman oh. Kailan ba ako makakascore ng pogi point sa'yo?
No, but whatever you wear, whatever you say, I love you, Pao!
Mamita, thank you very much. Ako, when are you gonna love me?
I love you too.
I love you too.
Yeah, thank you, darling.
All right.
Thank you, Juday.
Maraming salamat, Mamita. Mr. C.
Okay, Pao. Sasabihin ko sa iyo kung anong pinaka-plus factor mo. Yung boses mo, punong-puno ng emotion. So, kahit na wag ka nang gumimik, wag ka nang kung ano pang gagawin mo, kumanta ka lang, yun na. Ikaw, sigurado ako,